Narration: Therapeutic shampoo is used on the hair and scalp to treat dandruff and other scaly, itchy skin conditions such as psoriasis or seborrheic dermatitis. It belongs to a class of drugs known as keratoplastics and works by causing the skin to shed dead cells from its top layer and slow down the growth of skin cells. This effect decreases scaling and dryness, and also helps to decrease itchiness from these skin conditions. It is recommended to use this shampoo as directed by your doctor, typically 2 to 3 times per week, depending on the severity of the condition. It is best to apply the shampoo to wet hair, massage into the scalp, and leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Make sure to carefully read and follow all the instructions on the product packaging. This therapeutic shampoo is meant to be used only on the hair and scalp. Avoid getting it in your eyes, nose, mouth, groin, or rectum. If it does come into contact with these areas, rinse with cool water for 15 minutes and wash your hands after use. Do not use this shampoo on broken or infected skin unless directed by your doctor. To use this shampoo, wet your hair and scalp thoroughly, then apply a generous amount and massage it into a lather. Leave the lather on your scalp for a few minutes before rinsing and repeating the process. To avoid getting the shampoo in your eyes, keep them closed while shampooing and use a washcloth or towel to protect them. Typically, you should use this product twice a week or as directed by your doctor. The dosage depends on your medical condition, the type/brand of the product, and how you respond to treatment. Do not use more of this medication, use it more frequently, or use it for a longer period than directed. Using it as directed will not clear your condition faster, but using too much may increase the risk of side effects. If your skin condition does not improve or gets worse, especially if it covers a large area of skin, or if you suspect a serious medical problem, seek medical help immediately. It's important to note that this therapeutic shampoo may cause skin or scalp irritation, as well as staining of the skin and hair, especially for those with blonde, bleached, dyed, or gray hair. If you experience any skin irritation, it's best to stop using the product and consult your doctor or pharmacist. If your doctor has prescribed this shampoo, they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Many people who use this product do not experience any serious side effects. However, long-term use of this therapeutic shampoo can lead to hair follicle problems, also known as tar acne. If you notice new skin bumps or acne in the treated area, it's important to contact your doctor. While allergic reactions to this shampoo are rare, it's crucial to seek medical help immediately if you experience symptoms such as rash, itching, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. Keep in mind that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects, it's best to contact your doctor or pharmacist. In the US, you can report any side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using therapeutic shampoo, make sure to inform your healthcare provider if you have any allergies to coal tar or any other ingredients in the product. It's important to discuss your medical history with your doctor or pharmacist before using this medication. Using this shampoo may make your skin more sensitive to the sun, so be sure to wash it off completely before going outside. Avoid sun exposure, tanning booths, and sun lamps for at least 24 hours after using this shampoo, unless your doctor tells you otherwise. Other medications can also increase your sensitivity to the sun, so it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist for more information. If you experience sunburn or skin blisters/redness, be sure to contact your doctor right away. Before undergoing surgery, be sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the medications and products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, it's important to use this medication only when clearly needed and discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It's also important to consult your doctor before using this medication if you are breastfeeding, as it is unknown if the drug passes into breast milk. When using therapeutic shampoo, it is important to be aware of potential drug interactions that may affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It is recommended to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It is also important to not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will ensure the safety and efficacy of your therapeutic shampoo treatment. If this therapeutic shampoo is ingested, it can be harmful. If an overdose occurs and there are severe symptoms such as fainting or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical attention. U.S. residents can contact their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canadian residents can reach out to a provincial poison control center for assistance. Remember to keep this product out of reach of children to prevent accidental ingestion. Be cautious when using this therapeutic shampoo as it may stain clothing. Make sure to keep it away from your clothes. Also, do not share this medication with others if it has been specifically prescribed for you by your doctor. If you forget to use the therapeutic shampoo at the scheduled time, use it as soon as you remember. If it is close to the time for the next dose, then skip the missed dose and continue with your regular schedule. Do not use double the amount to make up for the missed dose. Therapeutic shampoo should be stored at room temperature. Different brands may have different storage requirements, so make sure to check the package labeling or ask your pharmacist. It's important to keep all medications away from children and pets. When it's no longer needed or expired, make sure to properly discard the product. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. And remember, don't flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.